In this video, I will show you how to limit responses and multiple choices in Google Forms. So to get started, go ahead and open Google Forms on your device. Now on Google Forms, head over into the form that you want to edit, and then on the form, head over into the Settings tab. On Settings tab, go ahead and click on Responses. So on the responses, make sure to enable Limit to one response. So this will allow you to limit the responses to this Google form to only one per user. Make sure to enable collecting email addresses to confirm that each user is only answer once. So after that, go ahead and head over into the questions tab. Now in here, head over into the question with multiple choices, and then make sure to click on these three dots beside required. So after you set that to checkbox, click on the three dots beside required, which you'll find at the bottom right of this specific question. Click on response validation and make sure to select at most to limit the answers of each users to a specific number of answers. So for example, I want to limit the answer at most of 3. So once I publish this form, the answer of each users would be limited at most of 3 for this specific question. And that's basically how you can limit responses and multiple choices in Google Forms.